Oh my God, I won the award. I won the award. Oh my God, I can't believe this. It is so awesome for me standing on the podium here tonight. Thank you, Hollywood. Thank you, all my family and friends. And big up Jamaica. Jamaica, I come from Jamaica to the world. And that me say, what you say? I want to know. But I be born in Hollywood award and nothing about that. We say Jamaica to the world. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot I got 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Hollywood, for this award. And I just can't, I don't even know what to say. This is so awesome. Jamaica to the world. And that me say.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping at the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no you compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica.